Hello, and welcome to this intervention for your lifestyle choices. Look, we're all friends here, and as your friend, I'm here to tell you that some of your habits, they're concerning. Today, we're diving into the 7 most dangerous things you can do to your health. Think of it like the 7 deadly sins, but instead of eternal damnation, you're just slowly dooming your future self. And let's be honest, some of these might hit a little too close to home. You know that drawer in your kitchen where you stash the unhealthy snacks? Yeah, we're going there. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a habit so common it's practically invisible. Skipping breakfast. But I'm not hungry in the morning, you might say, as you reach for your 3rd cup of coffee, a substance that is, shockingly, not breakfast. Look, I get it. Mornings are tough. The very concept of existing before noon is debatable. But your body needs fuel, people. Think of it like this. Trying to start your day without breakfast is like trying to drive your car on fumes. You might sputter along for a bit, but you'll inevitably end up stranded on the side of the road, desperately wishing you just grabbed a banana. Coming in at number 6, we have the silent killer, the posture crusher. The reason your sweatpants feel a little too snug these days, excessive sitting. Now, I'm not talking about enjoying a leisurely sit-down dinner or even parking it on the couch for a movie marathon. I'm talking about the insidious way sitting seeps into every aspect of our lives. We sit at our desks, we sit in our cars, we sit on our couches while we watch other people be active on TV. It's enough to make one wonder if humans were actually designed to stand upright at all. At number 5, we have a habit so absurd it almost feels like a parody of itself: smoking. Let's break this down, shall we? You're intentionally inhaling burning plant matter into your lungs, knowing full well it's about as good for you as licking an ashtray. And for what? A fleeting sense of calm? The undeniable coolness factor of exhaling smoke rings like some sort of 1950s film noir detective? I mean, you do you, but at this point it's like willingly signing up for a lifetime membership in the "I'm surprised this is happening to me" club. Number 4 on our list of health sins is heavy alcohol consumption. Now, I enjoy a stiff drink as much as the next person, but there's a fine line between enjoying a glass of wine with dinner and turning into a meme where you're clinging to a lamppost shouting at a taxi. We've all been there, or at least witnessed it firsthand, and while the occasional drunken escapade can be a funny story to tell, or maybe not, depending on how many restraining orders were involved, making a habit of excessive drinking is like playing a game of Russian roulette with your liver. And trust me, your liver did not sign up for this. Coming in at number 3, we have the overuse of painkillers. Yes, those little pills that temporarily erase your aches and pains are actually a global issue. It's like the entire world decided to participate in a who can ignore their problems the longest competition, and spoiler alert, nobody wins. We're popping pills for everything these days, from headaches to heartaches, as if masking the pain is the same as actually addressing it. Number 2 on our list, and we're down to the wire, folks. This next one is a real gutbuster, both literally and figuratively. I'm talking, of course, about the regular consumption of fast food. That greasy burger and those salty fries might seem tempting in the moment, but they come with a hefty price tag for your health. And no, I'm not talking about the dollar menu, though that can be deceiving too. I'm talking about the long-term cost of clogging your arteries with saturated fat and wondering why you can't outrun a tortoise. And now, for the number 1, the most dangerous health habit you can have. Ignoring your mental health. In a world obsessed with physical well-being, we often neglect the most important muscle of all: our brains. We bottle up our emotions, we power through stress, we convince ourselves that everyone else has it worse. But here's the thing. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Ignoring it is like trying to run a marathon with a broken leg. It's not sustainable, and it's only a matter of time before everything falls apart. So, there you have it, the 7 deadly sins of health habits. If you're feeling personally attacked right now, don't worry, you're not alone. Remember to subscribe to Shape Me Up for more videos about how to, well, shape up your life. And be sure to let us know in the comments which of these habits you're most guilty of. No judgment here, we're all on this journey together. Just remember, folks, staying healthy isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Or, at least trying to. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go eat a salad and contemplate the existential dread of my own mortality.